Hello, welcome back to the Flower Project. Today is May 1st, 2016. I'm going to try to say the dates in the beginnings of these videos. So, as you can see, the little bud that we had from earlier actually turned into one of the mutant flowers. So that's good. That's what I was looking for. For comparison, here's a bud of a normal daisy that's still in here for some reason. Let me see if I can focus that. There we go. You can kind of tell it looks very different. I can't. Let's see here. You can see the little yellow part in there, right there. Whereas this one, which is about the same size and shape, doesn't have. Come on, focus. Doesn't have the yellow part. Just all petals, like this. This is the original flower that was on the plant. It keeps trying to look at my neighbor's wall. Come on, look at it. Look at it. Right. No, come on, look at it. Look. Okay. So, this is the original flower that was on there when I first dug up the plant. It looks like, I'm not sure what's going on. It looks to be like all the petals are falling off. You can see that quite a few have fallen off. If I just touch it very lightly, petals start coming off. But it looks like, I don't know if you can see it. There's a tiny little seed. I might try to plant that. Can't see it at all, but there's a seed right there. It's really small, it's about the size of a sesame seed. Come on. Okay, maybe I should do these videos later. It's not enough light. Here we have a regular flower. This is what they originally looked like when I pulled them up, and then this is what they become. I'm guessing that after they get pollinated, they lose all the petals, so that way the unpollinated flowers attract more insects. Also, we have some bad news, which looks like we have some more of that orange stuff growing on this leaf right here, right there in the middle of the screen. If I can just get this camera to focus on there. There we go, look at that. This orange stuff, there's a little bit of orange stuff right there. I don't know if it's contributing to the fact that this leaf is dying, but I'm going to try to cut it off. I got my little, switching hands right now. Got my little scissors. Alright. I'm going to be very carefully cut this thing off. If I can just hold the camera still and also cut it at the same time. It's very difficult. Okay, I'm going to try to cut it right here. Okay, got that. Let's see if we can get a closer look. So yeah, right there, you can see orange stuff. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to try to cut off as much of that orange as possible. Might be too late, but at least this one seems to have shown no signs of infection. And also, the infection doesn't seem to affect the plant's ability to produce flowers, which is good in some sense. This one also has a little bit of orange right there. Try to cut that off. See, I mean, I don't really like cutting off the leaves, but I don't know. I don't want this orange stuff on there. I can't tell if this one has the orange stuff or not. Is that orange? Is that just some dirt? Right there at the base. I think I'm gonna just cut it off. Or maybe, no, I think that's just, no, it's just dirt, never mind. Is it? I can't tell. No, I'm just gonna cut it off, just be safe. The leaf that it's attached to is dying anyway. Okay. There we go. Yeah, and also the little grass things keep popping up. I'm trying to get rid of those things. Oh, and you know what else? I can't. It's not out right now, but there's a worm in here. I don't know how the worm got in here. I guess there was some sort of worm egg in the soil, because I recorded myself pulling out the soil where there wasn't any, weren't any live worms when I first pulled it out. So I'm guessing there was some sort of worm egg, or worm cocoon actually, I think is how they reproduce. Don't think I can get it to show up, but sometimes when I water it, it comes up to the surface and starts crawling around. I don't know if there are any more worms in here, or if it's just the one. There's at least one worm. Alright, that's it for this video.